The Taigo is based on Volkswagen's South American market Nivus SUV, but the brand has technologically adapted the car for Europe, equipping it with much more advanced kit. The Taigo already looks sporty and modern right from the very first glance. A highlight, the stylish LED light strip, which continues over the entire front to the Volkswagen logo and creates a connection with the associated IQ.LIGHT. LED matrix headlights, one with impressive signature light. The fog lights are integrated at the side in the expansive bumper, and you get 17-inch alloys. The sloping rear of the vehicle with its modern signature LED taillight continues the sporty look. The Taigo brings compact dimensions and big design under one roof. A black roof and matching black painted exterior mirror housing the roof pack is available as an option on the style. The vehicle interior of the Taigo greets you invitingly, with a high-quality soft-touch dashboard as standard and even with a color decor option for the style trim. The digital cockpit instrument cluster shows you the typical contents, such as speedometer and mileage recorder, as standard on a high-resolution 8-inch color display. The style trim are available with an optional 9.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system, with the two larger setups also adding an online connectivity unit that opens up more connected car features and services to owners. Also, the multifunction steering wheel 2 in leather shows that everything in this cockpit revolves around a connected lifestyle. The Taigo is based on the VW Group's MQB A0 platform, which underpins the Polo and T-Cross and T-Roc subs, so it will use a similar range of engines. The 1.0-liter TSI 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol unit will make up the bulk of the lineup in 94 bhp and 108 bhp forms. The former will be linked to a 5-speed manual transmission and the latter a 6-speed manual. A 7-speed DSG dual-clutch automatic will be offered on the 108 bhp TSI 110 as an option. The most potent engine option will be a 1.5 TSI 4-cylinder turbo unit, producing 148 bhp and paired exclusively with the 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox.